one. Okay, ready?
This place is nuts.
Oh,
What is
can you guess what we're gonna go see?
We're gonna see some trains! Hey there, YouTube family! Welcome back to the Earl's Family channel. If you're new to our family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Lainey is with my mom and Lily is with
My mom.
her mom. And so we have a very special day with Liam, don't we, Bubby?
We're so excited!
Liam. Oh, dude, come on, don't be shy now. You've been so excited all day
Show
about
them your
going
hat.
here.
Can you show everybody your hat?
What is
Can you
that?
guess what we're gonna go see?
What are we gonna go see, Bubby? What is it? Trains! That's right. We're at Entertrainment Junction.
Oh, your hat.
This is a really cool attraction where they have a bunch of cool train stuff. We've only been here, I think, once, but we've never actually been inside.
No, never inside the train.
So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna check it out. Liam, are you excited to see some trains? Yeah? Let's go, Bobby. We're gonna see some trains! Wow, when you first walk in, it looks like it's like a little city of it in its own. There's a brick floor and like a bunch of little buildings that make it look like a city. You've got food, you've got souvenirs right here. You got another gift shop back here.
Train up there.
What is it?
Going around up there.
Where? Oh, up here? There is, oh, Thomas, just like your hat, bud. He's already found his way to the toys. We just walked in. They do that stuff on purpose. You gotta wait, bub.
Oh, we gotta go this way.
We haven't paid yet. Liam's already got a head start. We haven't even paid yet. Hey, Liam. Hey, Bubby. What are you doing? Liam! Liam! He is so mesmerized right now by just looking at the trains.
There he is up there a little more. Sorry.
Wow! Bubby!
That's cool.
He keeps coming off.
He's so excited.
Liam is so pumped up to be here. He can't stay in one
I'm
spot.
trying to find these hidden trains and I can't catch up to them. See him? You see Percy?
I see him. He's right there.
No, wait, that's Doug. I'm
Oh,
sorry. my
Doug.
bad.
No.
That is Doug.
Good job, Mommy.
Which one is that? That one is salty. Yeah, salty. It's so salty. Cool. I like him.
Good job, Bubby.
Wow, that's awesome. Cool.
Whoa! Wow, look at this place. Wow! This place is nuts. Liam! Hey, look. Wow, he is so pumped up. He thought about it. Are you okay?
That's really bad.
And there he goes. Wow, look at that playset. Wow, you guys, I'm impressed by Entertainment Junction. We pass it all the time on the highway, but actually being in here, it's actually a lot cooler than we thought it would be. We're very happy we came. So babe, what do you think so far?
I think this is really cool, actually. I'm impressed. I'm happy he chose this.
I know, me too. Liam is pumped up, isn't he?
So excited.
Can't keep up with him. He wants to see everything. He's also really excited too. He just gets some mommy daddy time because our kids don't really get that whole bunch because we're divided between 3 kids. So it's really good for him. So.
My sunglasses.
They get stuck?
Yeah.
That's cute, babe.
You want to go see more trains?
Yes.
Yeah?
Wow.
Oh wow, look at like the mountains and hills and stuff. You gonna find one?
It's a tiger.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
My goodness.
Okay, you gotta find one? Okay, come on, let's go look. Have you been looking really hard? Are you looking? Maybe we can find it up there.
Oh yeah, go up there.
All the way up there and look over?
Go up there.
Okay, let's do it. My boys.
Mary Poppins, it sounds like it could be Disney World.
Oh look, it looks like the racers.
Cool.
A little bit.
I think it's Coney Island. I saw somewhere it's like
Oh
Coney
cool,
Island.
this is really cool actually.
See, I told you we pass it all the time from the highway. We're just so happy we actually came this time.
This is so cool, and we're so happy to have this time with Liam. Like, I want to have like a day with Liam.
Yeah.
She wants a date so bad.
That'd be
Let's go on a date.
It'd be a lot of fun.
We're going to train.
I go on to another one.
Oh, that's
Whoa, cool, it's Thomas!
I think you just hop on over. Cool. Cool, are we gonna ride choo-choo train?
We like that. We're going to get in here.
And then are we gonna go look at some more trains? Yeah.
Look at the aeroplane.
The what?
The avocado.
The avocado train? It's an avocado. Oh my goodness. That is so cool.
Hi! Choo-choo!
Cool. Choo-choo. We gotta find Thomas. He's got to find Thomas.
Uh-oh. So it is really cool because they actually kind of put a lot of like search and find stuff. Like they give you a list of stuff to find at each attraction. And so it's really cool. It's really good and really interactive for all the kids.
Okay, we gotta find him. We gotta find him.
Oh my goodness!
You found Thomas! Good job, Bob. High five. High five.
Percy?
Yeah, Percy.
Okay, high five Daddy. I'll high five you, Daddy. Okay, which one?
Good
Let's
job,
see.
Bubby. You found Thomas. Uh-oh, we're entering the fun house area now. Whoa, cool.
Very cool. All these different entrances take us to a different place. Do you guys want to
Whoa, yeah. Which one do you want to go in, Bubby?
Curtain?
Let's go in this one right here. What's this one?
Curtain.
Oh, uh-oh.
Do you actually go in? No?
Huh?
Really?
That's it?
Yeah.
This is all it is. It's just a little.
Maybe.
Wait, what? Oh! It's like a maze. Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, now
right
where do we
here,
go?
right here.
Oh! That one. Okay.
Okay, hang on.
Whoa.
Okay, which one do you guys think it is? This one.
Oh! Good job, Bubby. Pick which one you think it is.
Which one do you think it's gonna be?
Whoa! Oh, good job, Bubs. Liam, where are you? Help me! I'm stuck. Ah! Oh, there you are.
Is it this one? We gotta get out of here, see. Stick with us,
Liam, we did it!
Oh my goodness, finally! Finally!
And we thought it was just a small room. Remember? Oh, Liam's already going in there. Journey through the black hole. Let's go, buddy. Oh!
My goodness.
Whoa! Oh! This is, oh my goodness, this does make you dizzy. Okay. Oh my goodness! Okay, so we gotta find the ringmaster's key.
Ooh, let's find it!
Watch out for booby traps, though, it says, okay?
Don't set any alarms off.
Oh,
we just
we
set one up. Oh, grab it if you can. Can you grab the key?
Oh, can we grab the key? Oh, hey!
It's laughing at us. That's not the key.
No.
So we really got. Can you reach in and grab it, Liam? Try to. Oh man.
I got it! I got the key, Bubby!
You did?
The key's right there, you found it! You did? Good job, because
I'm out of here.
This is that ice cold. This is that ice cold. Michelle, fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls.
That was cool. That one was named Lily.
Thumbs up!
Okay, ready?
Out of everything that we could do here, Liam would rather just play with the toys that they have set out. But he just loves using his imagination. Ain't that right, Bob? Yeah.
Alrighty, Bubby, we're leaving Entertainment Junction. You want to say bye? Bye-bye, trains.
Bye, trains. We spent way too long in the souvenir shop.
Oh my goodness. And
But
then
look
we
at
went
what you
in
got. Show everybody what you got, Bubby.
Super.
You got a cool train.
Super.
Very cool. Did you have fun? Very cool.
We've had such a fun day with Liam. And we cannot wait to do this with the other kids also.
It's time to go eat.
Yes, so hungry.
All right.
Alrighty guys, so we are home now. And these kids never stop. You think that you run them through the day and you just have them go, 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 go. And we've got so much cleaning to do. And Liam and Liliana are wanting to get Daddy with these while Daddy works on the play set in the Orby pool that... What? You guys shut the door, baby. Okay, whose kids is awful about shutting the door? Look, we got Liliana back. Did you have fun with Mimi? What'd you do? No, you can't get me with this camera.
I got some go to bear. I'm gonna show you guys later.
Ooh, you guys show them?
And Mommy, okay, we're gonna sit down.
You wanna go get Daddy with those? Okay, Daddy is taking down our Orby pool and trying to make our playset look so much nicer. And it's been tough getting those Orbeez out. They're all biodegradable, so we've been kind of letting them roll down the hill and clean them all up really nice. Liam and Liliana want to get him.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey!
Oh! He got you! Throw him harder at him. That was a good throw.
Yeah.
It's like Fruit Ninja. That's actually really cool. Oh, missed it. And those are not the water balloons that just tie on themselves. Oh! He dropped that one before he got to throw it.
Is that all y'all got?
Mommy had to tie all those, so you better like every single one of them. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna end this vlog here because we've got so much to do.
That's an understatement. Hey.
It's an understatement, yeah, for sure. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye.